Hello, I want to introduce my patient Tatiana, who was here for a couple of weeks visiting Los Angeles area, and then she found us, and she came to get some work done. And I just wanted her to kind of give me a testimonial and tell me how she felt, and she was, how she was treated. We loved her, and we hope that she loved us just as much.
Back. Yes. I know. So everything was great. What I have to tell is the work that you've done for 2 weeks is just extremely amazing, and I never had anything like this experience. So I'm really, really thankful. And I mean, everything was absolutely I never used to be scared of doctors.
And now you are.
No, I'm not. That's the thing. I'm not. We've done so much work, and I was thinking that in the end I'm gonna be running from here. So I'm impressed.
And you're still here.
I'm still here. Oh yeah, I'm excited.
But you're beautiful, and no matter what I do on what kind of a cosmetic work I do on you, it just doesn't match your beauty, of course, but it was very wonderful having you.
Thank you.
And it was a very unique experience.
Yes. Very quick, very amazingly, gorgeously done, so yeah.
Thank you
very much.
Thank you for your
really glad to
visit.
I came exactly here. So.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Hard to find a good doctor, especially dentists.
Oh, that's wonderful.
It's your face, it's your smile, it's your people react differently when you have a good smile. So.
Thank you.
Right.
I appreciate it, Tatiana. It was wonderful having you. You're just a good sport too. Taking all that in 2 weeks, that was a lot of work.
Yeah.
So it was nice having you. And best of luck to you in your future. I'm sure you have a wonderful and bright future. So good luck to you, and keep in touch with us, okay?
Definitely.
All right.
How can I miss that? I can't.
All right.
So
take care.
Thank you, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it too.
Thank you.